Animation is hard, and it's even harder when you are a beginner. You want to make a good video with a great story, smooth animation, perfect coloring, amazing sound effect. Basically, you want to make a Disney level movie by yourself with zero budget, so you try it. And one of the three things happen. First, you quit immediately because you realize it's way too difficult. You understand that you need more knowledge, more practice, and better equipment before you can even start. Second, you actually start animating, but it takes forever, months go by, and you finally finish it. You watch the final video and you start regretting your life choices. You realize you don't have the skills nor the equipment to make animations like Disney or anime studios. Third, you finish the video and honestly, it looks bad, but you keep working on it anyway. You know it's a waste of time. You feel it's a waste of time, but you don't know what the real problem is, so you just keep going. Most beginners fail into one of those three mistakes, and that's exactly why I made this video. So if you want to learn what those mistakes are, make sure to subscribe, and without further ado, let's get into it. Mistake number 1, trying to make anime movie or series. Let me be honest with you, I have been there. I tried to make anime movies so many times and I never finished a single one. Not because I was lazy, but because I didn't have the skills or the equipment. And even if I did have them, I probably still wouldn't have finished it. People seriously underestimate how hard it is to make one single anime episode, let alone a whole series. So if you are trying to make anime series or high quality animation shorts as a beginner, just stop. I'm serious, it's a huge waste of time. Mistake number 2, trying to do everything at once. You write the story, you make the storyboard, you animate, you color, you do post-production, voiceover, sound effects, everything. And at the end, you realize you didn't do a single thing properly. You just wasted your time. If you are doing this right now, stop. Focus on one thing at a time. Otherwise, you will burn out and get nowhere. Mistake number 3, comparing your work to other guys. Never compare your work to someone else's. You are not making videos to beat other people. You are making videos to improve yourself. So if you are constantly comparing yourself to other animators, you already know what to do. Stop. Mistake number 4, not understanding layers. Before you even start animating, you must understand layers. Layers make animation so much easier. You use them for movement, coloring, shading, literally everything. Without layers, animation becomes messy and 10 times harder. We even use layers in drawing. So learn how layers work before you animate. Trust me, it will help you a lot later. Hey guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!